Arkush! Yeah. Bring me the ball, boy. Come on, let's play. Can you guys just stay off the septic mound? Huh? Stop digging around here, please. You want corn? Do you want some corn? Fuzzy. That can be your name, Fuzzy. What do we call you? Horny? Horny and fuzzy. All right, let's see if those ryegrass seeds are even popping out. It's been long enough for them to come out, unless the seeds were dormant. I see them coming out. There they are. Slowly but surely. Tough to see, but something is sprouting up finally. Of course, it rained hard after I put it in, washed away the seeds. Hey Fred, what's up? What you doing, buddy? Huh? What you doing? Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Come on. Where's the ball? Go get a ball. Such a nice day out there, isn't it? Sunny, cool, a little bit of wind. Perfect January. That's why we live down here, right? You don't live for August, September, October, November. It gets okay, but summertime sucks down here. So let's see how dirty the goat's enclosure is. Did you guys poop everywhere? I see you finished all the corn on the ground. What else did you do? Why does you keep putting this thing in here? You got corn, look. And you shat in it again, as usual. I think you guys are eating too much corn. You guys just like to eat off the ground, huh? These kind of pens are not good for feeding goats. They just walk over it, pee on it, poo in it. You guys just want to eat off the ground? Here, look. It's nice and spread out for you. Arco, where's the ball?